There's the second bridge down here. Just missed this house. And still miles down there. But before, it went right up here. Right up this hill and across onto the oval.